Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is JD and today we're going to talk about this brand new action camera. This is the DJI Action 6. Alam niyo naman, I've been using this Action 5 for the longest time. You've seen the travel videos, the rides. Nung nakita ko yung feature nitong Action 6, larger sensor, variable aperture, open gate shooting. So in this video, let's check kung worth it pa talaga yung upgrade from Action 5 to Action 6.
Let's go.
So what I got is a DJI Osmo Action 6 Adventure Combo. So it includes the camera, the multifunctional battery case with 3 extreme battery plus inside. This is the Action Curve adhesive base. I attached a dual direction quick release adapter mount. This is the Osmo 1.5 meter extension rod, and then I also attached a dual direction quick release adapter mount here. So it comes with 2 dual direction quick release adapter mount. Let's do a specs rundown. This one has a 1/1.1 inch square sensor, variable aperture from f2.0 to f4.0. This one has a 4K 120 frames per second and then 1080p 240 frames per second for those slow motion. So this is also waterproof, which is up to 20 meters. Weight niya is 149 grams. This one has an interchangeable lens. Matatanggal siya. This one also has a 50 gig internal storage. This part has a new magnetic bottom mount, and kagandahan sa kanya, it uses the same battery platform as the Action 5. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa IKEA. Kasama ko si Doc. Gamit namin itong DJI Action 6 and gamitin natin. Mag-shopping tayo ng konti. Mamimili tayo para sa lalagyan natin ng mga cameras at mga abubot natin, and titingin tayo kung anong meron dito sa IKEA. Let's go! So gamit ko lang yung internal mic nito. Hindi ako na DJI Mic. So since close pa, kumain muna tayo. Ayun ang Swedish cafe.
Croissant! Or first time natin kakain dito, no?
Yes. Swedish cafe. Medyo order. Ayun. Medyo maingay dito sa place, pero kamusta yung sana? Okay ba? So let's talk about battery life. We got more than 3 hours using this in 4K 60 frames per second, and then 80% charge in just 20 minutes. So fast charge na siya. Pag binili mo pa yung adventure pack, you have 3 batteries. Maghapon ka na nag-shoot. This is compatible pa rin with older Action batteries. I love that. Let's talk about video quality. Mas clean, mas sharp, mas kaya ang mixed lighting. I use the variable aperture for better control, square sensor for more creative framing, low light performance, mas usable sa gabi talaga. Kung happy ka sa Action 5 sa daylight, mas happy ka sa Action 6 in all lighting conditions because of the f2.0 aperture. Hi guys, I'm using the Osmo Action 6 and it's pretty pitch black here, madilim. Ang source of light ko lang yun, yung poste, tsaka itong nasa harap na ilaw. So let's talk about the pros. Better in low light. It uses f2.0 in super night mode. It has a long-lasting battery, over 4 hours of use. Strong and flexible mounting system. This is perfect for portrait and landscape creators because of the square sensor. Cons, slightly heavier, pero to be honest with you, doesn't feel any different. No focus peaking for macro. Of course, it's a bit pricier. So let's talk about the differences between the Action 5 and the Action 6. Kung galing ka sa Action 5 katulad ko, of course, mas malaki ang sensor nitong Action 6 kasi open gate na siya. The variable aperture is huge for me because you can actually push the limit of your action cam. First time ito sa mga action camera, yung variable aperture. Interchangeable lenses, napapalitan mo na tong lens na to. So, may macro lens na ngayon, hindi ko pa nabibili pero looking forward to using it. Better mounting system because kung halimbawa nandun ka sa sasakyan or sa motor, na-mount mo na yun sa motor, sa side na motor mo, nakaganyan siya. Pag change ka ng angle, release mo lang. Diba? Bilis lang. Mas flexible for vertical content just because you're using the open gate. So, lagi nyo nang narinig yung open gate na yan. Ano yung open gate na yan? Yung open gate, yun yung sensor na ginagamit mo yung buong sensor, yung square. So, sa Action 6, dahil square sensor siya, pwede ka na mag-shoot once and then crop it in post. So, you can use it for YouTube, IG Reels, TikTok, Stories, without losing any quality. Siyempre, pag nagka-crop ka na, babawasan ng quality yung footage mo. So, yung open gate talaga is a big deal. My conclusion, kung travel creator ka, motovlogger, or someone who wants more flexibility, the Osmo Action 6 is a real upgrade. Mas malakas, mas creative, mas pang pro, pero same DJI simplicity. If you only shoot daytime vlogs, okay pang Action 5. Pero kung gusto mo mas cinematic, mas flexible, mas pro-looking yung content, upgrade to Action 6. Kung may pera ka, mag-upgrade ka na. So, ayun, ang review natin for this DJI Action 6. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Marami pa sa inyong hindi nakaka-subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.